Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the brand new OREI smartphone application that allows you to control a wide variety of OREI products from your smartphone. The app is available for both iOS and Android operating systems and is incredibly easy to use. You can basically download the app, configure the device that you'd like to control, and then you'll log into that device and have complete access to all of the configuration menus where you can make changes to the settings, the input-output relationship, the EDID settings, and a wide variety of other parameters. Now in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to add a product like the UHD48-EX230-K to the application and show you some of the sample menus that you can access through the app and make some changes to the product. And then I'll come back with a few final thoughts. To get started, you'll need to make sure the device you're trying to control with the application is connected to your network and has a compatible IP address. You can typically check the default IP address of that device through the front panel display or through an RS-232 connection. Once you've connected the device to your network, enable DHCP on that device so it can find an available address. Now you can download the OREI application on your phone and be sure to check that you're connected to the same network on your phone as the device you're trying to control. To add a device to the application, simply tap the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to start the scanning process for your product on the network. When the scan is complete, it will list the OREI devices it found and allow you to access them directly. If no devices were found, you'll receive a message and you can still add the device manually by tapping the bar at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a selection of OREI devices that are compatible with the application, and you can select your device from the list. For this example, we'll be using an OREI UHD48-EX230-K matrix. Once selected, you can choose to enter a unique device name for the product and the current IP address of the device. When finished, simply click the Add bar at the bottom of the screen, and this will take you to the main graphical user interface screen for the application, and you'll see your device listed there. Tap the device icon to enter the main screen for controlling your product, and on this initial screen, you'll be able to adjust some of the functions, power off the device, and select the preset to apply. To access more advanced settings, tap the icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that will bring you to the device settings page. This page provides deeper control over the operation and configuration of the device and will have several sections depending on the product you're controlling. The Video tab allows you to create custom presets that you can use for repeatable scenarios. These will then be available on the main screen of the application for easy access. Tapping a particular preset tab takes you into the configuration settings for that preset, and it allows you to name the preset and modify various input and output selections. The Input tab is next, and tapping that selection will take you into the configuration options for each of the inputs connected to the matrix. Here, you can check the connection status, name the input, and even modify the EDID settings to match the media for that input. This allows you to easily tailor the device to accommodate a wide range of HDMI products. The next tab down is the Output tab, which provides access to similar parameters for your display devices connected to the matrix. On the initial page, you can see the connection status as well as the name of the local connection and the remote connection. In this section, you can modify these settings for each individual output. Tapping on one of the outputs, you can quickly change the scaling and control the stream delivery for both the local and remote connection. With the scaling on this particular device, you can choose bypass, downscaling to 1080p, or automatic. Tapping the CEC Input tab will provide you with a virtual remote control for each of the individual input media streams. Here, you can control the playback of content, mute the audio, and even power off the device or skip to the next program. This makes it easy to deliver and control your media content from your phone or tablet remotely. The final tab is the CEC Output tab, and that provides additional control over the display devices connected to the matrix. Here, you can mute or adjust the audio, as well as power off the device. And this can be done for each of the individual output devices independently. I hope you found this overview of the brand new OREI smartphone application helpful. This new app provides complete control over a wide variety of OREI products. It's a free download, it's easy to install, and it's available for both iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. You can basically download the application, add the product you'd like to control, and then over Wi-Fi you'll have complete access to every configuration setting available on that product. You can tap the screen and change the relationship between the input media and the output display devices. You can adjust the EDID settings, you can adjust the audio settings, and a wide variety of other parameters. The best part about the product is that it's Wi-Fi connected, which means you can wander around as long as you're still in the same network as the unit and control all of those parameters. So hopefully you found this review helpful, and until next time, as always, thanks for watching.